Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be reviewing Bookshelf for iPad. It is a Dreamboard theme that is $2.99 in the Cydia store. Now it's meant to look like the interface from the Kindle Fire, which it looks actually a lot alike, and I like it a lot. So let's get started with the review. So down here at the bottom you have your dock, and the dock is scrollable with 2 pages. And you can have 8 apps on each page, and I have just all like the iOS apps. We also have like a little calendar widget right here, and you can actually switch that between a calendar widget, a weather widget, and a few other things. And over here we have 2, I guess you can call them shelves with my Cydia themes on it, and you can change them and edit them however you want, and you can have 6 of them. Now up here you have your little scrollable like preset apps, but one thing that I don't like is that they're not like, they don't look 3D. They look like on the Kindle Fire they scroll and kind of rotate forward. On this they just feel like they're scrolling to the side, and I'm sure you can see that in the video. But they have the little icon in the bottom right, like this one's App Store. If I click on it, it opens up the App Store, and those work great, but they don't have the 3D effect that I would like to see, which would be really cool. And that's really one of the main reasons that I like the Kindle Fire's interfaces, because of those scrollable windows at the top. And these don't change like on the Kindle Fire. If you open a new page it pops up here, but they don't do that on the iPad Dreamboard theme. So if we go to favorites, we can set our favorite apps, and these are scrollable, and I haven't changed it from the preset. And we can also hide the bookshelf, so we have more rows, and they're scrollable, and you can have up to 2 windows just like the dock, or 2 pages I should say, just like the dock. And then we have games, which is identical to favorites, and apps just brings up all our apps in a scrolling window in alphabetical order, and there you can see all my apps. Now in settings we can go to About, which just tells us about the theme. Now themes is where we can change any of the wallpaper, and like let's change it to this polka dot one just so you guys can really see the difference. And it's set on the gray one over here, like the preset one, but we can change it to like I don't know what type of wood this is, but it's like reddish wood. And now if we go back and go to the home, you can see that the background's changed, and so has the dock down here and the little bookshelves over here on the side. So let's go back to settings. So we have a bunch of different backgrounds to choose from, and you can't use your own preset backgrounds. You can only use the ones set by the developer. But I like how you can change between docks. I think that's a really nice feature. Alright, so back in settings we can change the widgets. And we have either a calendar widget, which I showed you, we can have a live weather widget. And there's the live weather widget, and we can change the postal code or zip code just by entering it in and pressing top right corner. I already have it set. And one of the things that I like is if you change the widget or the theme, you don't have to respring like in other Dreamboard themes, and it's really nice because it's like instant. And we can have RSS reader, which just like keeps you up to date on like different facts and mainly like consumer electronic stuff. Oh, alright, we can turn the status bar on or off as the status bar from the Kindle Fire, and that actually looks really nice. The one reason I don't use it is because if we back out and you press the home button, well, sometimes the status bar from the actual iPad like jumps in front of it, and it kind of like gets on top, and it just doesn't look good when that happens. Now item mode, I'm sure you guys figured out, is where you can change the apps, and you get the little scrolling window just like in any Dreamboard theme, and you can pick any app you want. And then you can just press the home button to get out of it. And that's really the whole app, except for, oh, I forgot, there's a little search bar at the top, which I have it set to Google search. And if we click on it, it doesn't seem to be working for me. Let me try. Alright, so the search bar at the top isn't working. As you can see, I've tried to click on it and it doesn't work. But now I'll show you the lock screen, and the lock screen is customized. The lock screen is really nice, and it actually like rotates from a few different backgrounds. Like I don't have any of these backgrounds saved in my photos, but see, as you can see, if I just turn it off, and that's really cool. I think like it's a really nice feature to have, and it just like looks nice. It makes it feel really customized. And to unlock it, you just kind of throw the little arrow to the left and it unlocks. And I actually like this lock screen better than the normal standard lock screen for iOS. So I hope you like this review. I'm actually going to be rendering this video on a new app a video editing app that I just got, and then I'm going to be reviewing that app tomorrow and also be doing a giveaway. So if you want to get in on that giveaway, just subscribe and you can see the video that I post tomorrow. And I hope you like this review. If you like this interface, you can go check it out on Cydia. And thanks for watching.